I'm Rogan.
And I am Fadila. I am delighted you have an interest to join the National Police Cadet Corps or Npcc. Let me and Rogan share with you what the CCA has to offer.
One of the exciting programs Npcc cadets get to experience is a crime scene investigation training package. Set 1 and 2 cadets can look forward to learning police photography, DNA analysis, and bloodstain pattern analysis. Sample crime cases are provided for cadets to apply their knowledge and working groups to solve crimes. Sec 3 cadets can also visit the training village at the Home Team Academy to visit mock-ups of the crime scenes. The realistic setup will allow cadets to have an immersive experience and learn more about the investigation processes in the Singapore Police Force.
Another highlight of the CCA is getting the opportunities to learn alongside the NUS Law Society and actual police officers about law enforcement. Watching video clips on actual cases and taking on the roles of various law enforcement officers within a classroom settings, cadets can better understand how the law operates in practice. They also gain a good understanding of the various career opportunities in law enforcement which are present for them when they grow up.
Npcc is a key uniform group CCA in CTSS, providing meaningful learning opportunities for cadets in character development. Through experiential learning opportunities such as leadership and mentoring skills course, Npcc cadets develop 21st century competencies such as communication and collaboration skills, and values such as resilience, which are critical for their future workplaces. Another uniquely Npcc experience is the Adventure Training Camp. Held at Pulau Ubin, cadets learn how to start a fire with just matchsticks and leaves, learn how to tell whether food is good in the wild is suitable for consumption, and learn how to obtain water when stuck in the wild. At the end of the camp, cadets will surely have many memories they will never forget.
We hope we have given you an insight of what Npcc has to offer. We hope to see you soon!